When B2B businesses grow, their systems often struggle first. Processes slow down, customer journeys become complicated, and teams start relying on workarounds just to keep things moving. That's exactly where Gutters Online found itself. As part of the Alumas Group, the business needed a platform that could support growing demand, trade customer requirements, and future expansion. Their existing setup was no longer enough. So instead of applying temporary fixes, the decision was made to rebuild the platform completely. At Chilliapple, we implemented Magento 2 open source with a Hiva front-end. Magento provided the flexibility needed for B2B workflows, while Hiva improved performance with a faster, cleaner front-end experience. The platform was redesigned around how trade customers actually buy. We added various features, such as bulk ordering, account-level pricing, company hierarchies, and quotation workflows that helped simplify the purchasing journey. We also integrated payment, delivery, analytics, and marketing systems to reduce manual work. This also improved operational visibility. The result was more than just a faster website. It created a scalable digital foundation that supports long-term growth, smoother operations, and a better customer experience.